Hello everyone, this is Nitin Mohod and today we are going to see Introduction to Resistors. The first question comes to our mind is what is resistor? So resistor is basically a passive component. Passive means which cannot work without external or secondary power supply and whose main characteristic is to oppose the flow of current. It provides load, that is across which we can take the output. It also provides IR voltage drop, that is according to Ohm's law V is equal to I into R. Its important parameters are resistance, power ratings. So resistance value of the resistor and power ratings of the resistors must be seen when we are selecting any resistor. It has no polarity. It means there is no connection problem for it. It can be connected in either way in the circuit. And its basic unit is ohm. So far the classification is concerned, they are classified as fixed type resistor and variable type resistors. Fixed resistors have fixed values and generally they are made from carbon composition resistor process. This is the type of resistor, that is carbon composition resistor. We will see that in the coming slides. Variable resistors, where you can vary the resistance value of the resistor by moving the arm or sliding the arm. Examples are rheostat, which you must have used in your laboratories, and the potentiometers, fan regulators you can say, they are the potentiometers. Wire wound resistor, this is the first type of resistor. Here you can see in the diagram the wire wound resistor. The thin wire is wound on a ceramic core and entire unit is placed in a, as we move this on like this up to C. When the sliding arm is at point C, this one is at C, all the resistance will come in the picture or come in the circuit, and here also if this sliding arm moves like this up to point C, the entire resistance will come in the circuit. So when the sliding arm is at point C, we get maximum resistance value, while at point A, when this is at A, we will get the minimum resistance value. When this is at A, we will get the minimum resistance value. Carbon variable resistors with power ratings of half watt to 2 watts and resistance 1 kilo ohms to 5 mega ohms are available. 5 mega ohms means 5 into 10 raised to power 6 ohms. And this type of volume control switch, these type of resistors are generally used in the volume control switches. Potentiometers used to control voltage and current in the circuit generally has carbon composition resistance element and is connected across voltage source, has got 3 terminals, 2 fixed and 1 variable. Control terminal, that is called the variable one, used to vary the voltage. Part of input voltage can be taken out by moving arm B on a fixed resistance R, as we have seen in the previous diagram. Let B is exactly at the middle of R, then out of 8 volt we get 4 volt on output side, because at that time the resistance will be divided in 2 halves and therefore output voltage which you will get will be exactly half of the total applied voltage. I hope the idea of resistance, fixed resistance, variable resistance, the types we have seen, wire wound and carbon composition, are clear to you. Thank you.